a starry sky with sudden flashes of light. Imagine a signal from billions of light years away, lasting less than the blink of an eye, yet carrying the energy of our sun's output over several days. These are fast radio bursts, or FRBs, one of astronomy's greatest mysteries. What they are: radio waves traveling across space. FRBs are intense bursts of radio waves detected by giant radio telescopes. They last only milliseconds to a few seconds, but they're so powerful that even across the universe, we can still pick them up here on Earth. The first FRB was discovered in 2007 by Duncan Lorimer and his student, David Narkovic. Since then, astronomers have detected hundreds, some repeating in strange patterns, others appearing just once. Theories: where do they come from? Theories range from magnetars, neutron stars with magnetic fields trillions of times stronger than Earth's, to colliding black holes or neutron stars. Some even speculate exotic physics or advanced civilizations. But the leading evidence points to extreme astrophysical events. Why do they matter? FRBs used as cosmic beacons, mapping galaxies. FRBs aren't just mysterious, they're useful. They act like cosmic flashlights, helping astronomers map matter between galaxies and understand the universe's hidden structures. Fast radio bursts remind us how much we still don't know. Each detection is a clue, bringing us closer to solving one of the universe's loudest secrets. Want more cosmic mysteries? Subscribe to The Knowledge Bug for science explained in seconds.